Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are from Group 2 and in this video we will to explain to you about the analysis study cases, and before that we are introduce our group, and my name is Farita Bumzaki with last student ID number 034.
And next, my name is Mayata and my last ID number is 013.
My name is Kalfai Bihandini and my last ID number is 080.
My name is Mirnawati and last ID number 082.
My name is Santika Rosmalianisa with last ID number 098.
I am Fatri Dayati with last ID number 148.
Welcome to our education video discussing a crucial environmental issue, air pollution caused by carbon monoxide in the Sidoarjo area. In this video, we'll review the result of scientific studies in impact on health and the environment and concrete solution we can all implement together. What is carbon and the carbon cycle? Carbon is chemical element that is the primary component of living things and a source of energy for organism. Carbon exists in a cycle called the carbon cycle, which is the movement of carbon atoms between the atmosphere, ocean, soil, and living organism. The cycle involves natural processes such as photosynthesis, respiration, decomposition, and even volcanic activity.
Location in Pahlawan Street, Legency, Hackway, Sidoarjo Regency is Java. This location was chosen because it is main road with heavy motor vehicle traffic, especially during morning and afternoon rush hours. Such condition often cause congestion and have the potential to increase air pollution. The increasing number of motor vehicles cause air pollution, particularly carbon monoxide atau CO emission. The main issue in this area is the rising number of motor vehicles that produce CO emission. Carbon monoxide is dangerous because it is colorless and odorless, yet it can reduce air quality and negatively affect human health. The objective of this study is to evaluate air quality by measuring CO concentration and to analyze the relationship between traffic volume and CO level. The method used in a quantitative field approach measurement were carried out over 20 working days at 2-time interval. In the morning, 7 o'clock until 9 o'clock p.m. and afternoon, 4 o'clock until 6 o'clock p.m. The instrument used include a CO detector to measure CO concentration, a hygrometer to measure humidity, and thermometer to measure air temperature. Now, traffic volume was recorded manually at 20 points along Pahlawan Street until Legency Hackway. The data were then analyzed using Pearson correlation test to determine the relationship between the number of vehicles and CO level. Air pollution in Sidoarjo Regency, especially along Jalan Pahlawan and Jalan Legundi, is caused by several intersect factors. The most dominant is caused large number of motorized vehicles that pass through the area every day, especially at the morning and the evening rush hours. These vehicles, especially motorcycle, produce large amount of carbon monoxide. This condition is exacerbated by traffic, which often cause vehicles to stop and speed to condition with our known increased carbon dioxide emission. In addition, the lack of vegetation and shade trees along route prevent pollution from being absorbed naturally, further worsening air quality. Research also show that suboptimal vehicle maintains worse pollution, as poorly maintained vehicle produce higher emissions. This factor make a carbon monoxide in air pollution Sidoarjo seriously threat in the public health and the quality of the surrounding environment.
Impact of carbon monoxide pollution. Air pollution caused by carbon monoxide in Sidoarjo has far-reaching impact on human health, the environment, and socio-economic aspect. From a health perspective, Short-term exposure to carbon monoxide can lead to dizziness, nausea, shortness of breath, and fatigue. In the long term, this gas can cause damage to the nervous system, heart problems, and even death due to poisoning. Children, the elderly, and individuals with respiratory illness are the most vulnerable group. From an environmental standpoint, carbon monoxide contributes to the formation of ozone in the troposphere, which can damage plant and ecosystem. Air pollution also disrupts atmosphere balance and contributes to global climate change. Socio-economically, air pollution reduces quality of life, increase the burden of public health costs, lower work productivity, and can diminish the attractiveness of an area as a place to live or invest in. If not addressed seriously, this pollution can worsen environmental inequality and widen social gaps.
Hi guys, right now I will to explain to you about the study causes carbon monoxide pollution on Pahlawan State up to Legundi State, Sidoarjo. The solution is to address air pollution caused by carbon monoxide in the Sidoarjo regions. A series of technical, social, and policy solutions are needed. First, or number one, is routine maintenance and emissions testing of motor vehicles are necessary, especially for two-wheeled vehicles, which have been shown to be the large contributors to carbon monoxide emissions. The number two, the use of fuel that meets engine standards must be encouraged to reduce incomplete combustion that produce carbon monoxide. Number three is local government need to encourage the public to use public transportation by providing comfortable, affordable, and efficient modes, thereby reducing the number of private vehicles on the road. Number four is tree planting and the development of green open space along busy roads need to be expanded to help absorb pollution naturally. In addition, the creation of special lanes for environmentally friendly vehicles such as vehicles or electric vehicles can also be a long-term solution. Finally, further research is needed to examine the effects of vehicles' age, with their factors such as temperature and humidity and traffic patterns on carbon monoxide emissions. All of these effects require synergy between the government, the community, and the private sector to create healthy and more sustainable air quality. Thank you.
And the next is conclusion. In the conclusion, I will present about the increase in the number of motor vehicles in Sidoarjo Regency and has been proven to be main factor contributing to the rising concentration of carbon monoxide or CO and in the air, especially during peak hours in the morning and the evening. Emissions become even higher due to frequent stop and go traffic and the lack of green open space and minimal oversight regarding the condition of vehicle. So, this pollution has serious impacts on public health, sustainability, and socio-economic well-being. Air pollution not only threatens our lungs but also reduces overall quality of life. Therefore, an integrated solution is urgently needed covering technical aspect, policy implementation, and change in public lifestyle. Awareness and active participation from all sectors, ranging from individual to the government, are essential to reduce pollution and maintain healthy air quality. Through strong collaboration and shared commitment, we can create a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable environment for both current and future generations.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.